Bryan Chevrolet presents Pandemonium in Nola at Lafreniere Park July 20th and 21st with casinos, the quarter, and the best Cajun and Creole food in the world. You know it's gonna be a party. This is the wildest open car show in Louisiana, welcoming anything and everything. Show cars from all over the U.S. will be attending, and there will be fun-filled events for everyone. You know it's going to be crazy. Pandemonium in Nola, brought to you by Southern Tire, Precision Audio, Beverly Disposal, Rim Time, Kingpin Auto Sports, and GVG Customs. Gates open at 8 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. Spectator admission is $10. Kids under 10 are free. Pandemonium is brought to you by the promoters of Scraping the Coast and Sicknick. See all the huge sales that their sponsors will be offering at this event. Bryan Chevrolet presents Pandemonium in Nola at Lafreniere Park July 20th and 21st. Check pandemoniumshow.com. For more info, go to info@pandemoniumshow.com or scrapingthecoast at AOL.com. Pandemonium in Nola at Lafreniere Park July 20th and 21st. You know it's gonna be a party.